Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be redesigning Maggie's logo. And so I'm first heading over to Pinterest to find out get some inspiration. I want to have a very premium feeling look for the Maggi brand. So as everybody knows, Maggi is more situated to family consumers, and today we're going to be changing the branding and the identity of it to make it look more premium. So I'm going to be changing the logo. So I'm choosing the colors. I don't want to go with the bright yellow and red, so I'm going over with black and some kind of orange or some kind of color that represents the soupy noodles, that kind of colors. So I'm just choosing white, black, and some kind of orange, a deeper shade of orange. So I'm going to start sketching. I'm just first going to choose a typeface. So I'm just going to have a few options. I'm just going to type Maggi in it, and I have a few different serif fonts options. The first one is Italiana, and the other one is Sanita Swashed, and the last option is Arizona. I also am using okay, so I'm using Italiana. I'm not really liking it, so I'm gonna delete it. I don't like Sanita Swast too, and I'm not liking Parisian as well. No, that's French scripty, I'm sorry. So I've chosen Parisian font. I'm just checking to see if there are different glyphs, and there are unfortunately not. So I'm going over with Parisian font for the typeface. It's a very cursive and good looking font, and I'm just changing the eyes dot because it's way too oval, and I'm trying to make it a bit more circular. So I've just added a circle, and I'm grouping it all together. So I'm just situating it in the perfect place, and I'm repositioning each of the letters to make it fit. So this is my typeface now. It's a very fancy and good looking typeface. So now we're gonna work on our logo. So I'm taking inspiration from the soup pot we had. So I'm gonna be making a pot with the letter M on it. So I'm just working on the pot. Putting the handles, and I'm rounding the edges to make it fit the shape, and I'm later gonna go into it and fix it. And I will also be using the shape builder to make them come together. So I'm doing the same for the other arm as well, for the other handle. just giving it a temporary color, and we'll go over the color details a bit later. So I'm just adding some fill, and I am putting the shape together. So I'm just curving out the handles and so that it fits perfectly to the circle of the pot. And I'm using the shape builder tool to make them all a shape. So I'm done with my shape for the logo, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut and paste it in the other artboard, and I'm just making it bigger, and I'm adjusting it so that it looks perfect. Then I'm going to be rotating it so that I want a straight pot. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with the details and adjust a little bit. I want to add a rim around it, but first I'm just adding the M of the Maggi. So I've created another circle and I'm adding a rim to the pot, so it feels like there's some depth. So this is the logo type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and adjust the shape so that it fits along with the rim. So I'm adjusting the top of the letter M. So now I'm going to be adjusting the curly end of the M. I want it to nicely fit with the rim. Then we'll be moving on to the colors. So I'm just going into isolation mode and I'm going deeper with the vectors. I definitely want it to align and look part of the rim. So while you're watching this, I want to inform you all about our new magazine. Our new magazine's first issue is up for ordering, so you can visit bit.ly bit.ly/learningsmagazine to order a copy. Please do order a copy and support us. Thank you. So I'm going over the color details. I'm filling the pot with the orange soup color, but then I chose to have a different more yellowish orange color because it didn't suit it, and that's our logo type. So I'm just creating a pattern. Now. So I'm just testing out the various types of patterns. So you can do radial patterns like that, or you can do grid patterns, and you can even do mirror patterns. So I'm just doing a grid pattern, and that's how my pattern looks. So this kind of patterns will mostly be used in things like packaging and packets and things like that. So if you noticed, the Maggi masala packet has a pattern. It has the Maggi logo's pattern on the Maggi masala, which is very subtle. So this is something equivalent to the thing that is current. So I'm just creating a artboard where I'm putting the typeface and the logo together. So that is my logo and typeface together. The logo is on top of the typeface Maggi. So then I'm going to be creating a document documenting everything we have done for the redesign. So it's just a A4 sheet size, and we're just going to add some text, save the file, and we're going to name it Maggi Redesign. Choose a nice font, make it bigger, add some color to it, and we're going to be typing out the aim of the Maggi redesign. The aim of this is to create a sophisticated look to the bright and family themed identity of Maggi. So if many people don't know about Maggi, Maggi is a family aimed company which sells this instant noodles, which is famous all over India, and sauces and masalas and things like that. And don't forget to check out Abby Design. She has done a very similar kind of video, and that's where I got my inspiration from. So we're just gonna insert some images of the old branding, which is the very bright and eye-capturing logo and colors. So I'm going to put another section called new branding, and I'm copying all the new branding and pasting it here. And I'm also going to copy paste the pattern in a new artboard. So this is it for our video, and hope you liked this video and hope it was fun for you to watch. And do let me know if you want me to make a tutorial on how I made these logos. And this is our final output, and I'm just trying to export it in a few different formats like SVG, PDFs, transparent PNGs, and so on. So these are our final results. I'm also going to be exporting this as a PNG in high quality. So once again, check out bit.ly/learningsmagazine and order a copy